Exercise 17. 12x squared minus 17x plus 6 equals 0. What is one value of x that satisfies the equation above? It's clearly a quadratic equation. We know, or at least we should all know, that the easiest way, or perhaps the safest way to solve such a quadratic equation would be through the discriminant formula. But here, the numbers are such that if I start working that by hand, I might get in trouble because the numbers will be too big. It's not just 1, 2, or 3. So I'll go and I'll use Desmos for that. Even better. So 12x squared minus 17x plus 6 equals 0. Remember that in Desmos, the solutions to an equation are presented as vertical lines. So we have one vertical line here. Is there any other? No. So let's see. I had to zoom in. Here are my solutions. Let's go and see. One of them is 0.75. The other is 0.66666. So obviously, if one of them is 0.6666, I think that that should have been the 2/3, and the 0.75, you can also plug that in as just a decimal, but the 0.75 would have been 3/4. So one of the values that satisfy this equation would be either 2/3 or 3/4. I will confirm that with my calculator. 12x squared minus 17x plus 6. And yes, 2/3 and 3/4.